How to fix Origin download stopping. Solution 1. Run Origin as an administrator. Open Origin. Open the Origin drop-down menu in the toolbar and click Exit. Right-click the Origin desktop shortcut and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Mark the checkbox next to the Run this program as an administrator option. Click Apply and click OK. Click Continue when prompted. Solution 2. Run Origin in compatibility mode. Open Origin. Open the Origin drop-down menu in the toolbar and click Exit. Right-click the Origin shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Mark the Run this program in compatibility mode 4 option. Select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click Apply and click OK. Solution 3. Clear the Origin cache. Open Origin. Open the Origin drop-down menu and click Exit. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in %program data %/origin and click OK. Select all files except the local content folder, which contains game data. Right-click the selected files and click Delete. Then, hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in %data% and click OK. In the resulting roaming folder, find the Origin folder, right-click it, and click Delete. Then, in the address bar, click App Data and access the local folder. Like before, find the Origin folder, right-click it, and click Delete. Then, launch Origin. Enter your login credentials, and click Sign In. Solution 4. Disable the Origin client service. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, scroll through the list and find Origin Client Service. Right-click it and click Properties. In the Service Status section, click Stop. Then, open the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Disabled. Click Apply and click OK. close the services window and launch Origin. Solution 5. Temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, type in firewall.cpl and click OK to open Windows Defender Firewall settings. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Tick the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall checkboxes for private and public networks. Click OK. Remember to turn on Windows Firewall once you've successfully downloaded the game. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel